Football competitions where you are going to go over there and you do a better job. Our best wishes are with all of you, and I give my heartiest, wishes to all of you for taking pains and coming all the way to participate in this event. Just like as we are having the judges from diverse locations, here is Professor Abhijit Bhattacharya coming all the way from Jalpaiguri, North Bengal. Professor Asthana, he has come all the way from Noida, it's Maharishi University. So, majority of them, even the persons who all have spent the entire whole day, Advocate Minku Roy, sir has, all of them had taken the patience, taken the pains, devoted their time to minutely, in a meticulous manner, look into individual memorials. In fact, if you go and look into, what Professor Asthana has done in respect to the memorials, in every one of them, there are individual pencil markings there, saying that this was wrong, this was required to be done, here the footnoting was not correct, there the format was problematic. You hardly are going to find these types of judges, overall, who will not only give marks, but all of them have tried to educate you. That has been the best exercise. Winning and losing is something which will happen every time. But beyond winning and losing, they have tried to help you to understand what was wrong and what was required for improvement. That apart, JIS University basically had taken very hard time in terms of keeping all of you in very good humor, because it has been a very difficult day, and the efforts were there for the last 2 months to see that where are the hostels where the students should come, which are the so-called trains or the transport from where they are supposed to be picked up. All the volunteers, they are working almost for the last 20-25 days. It's a complete teamwork, without which this entire event would not have happened. So now we don't want to spend more time, because everybody knows it's very late today. We will start off with the trophies, but before the winner, should we give the second runner? Yes. The second runner-up team, kindly please come here.
This one.
The winner team, where are they?
Shagnik.
Second runner-up.
Shagnik. It is side.
Have they gone? Who is second runner-up?
टीम नंबर सर टीम नंबर टा कत
Second runner-up team কোথায়?